Conner, never did I think I would be getting ready to walk down the aisle to marry the man who jumped through my window 3 years ago.
Come as you are, bring me your heart, my child. Waited so long for you to become all mine.
Today, not only do I gain a husband, but I gain a partner in life. So here's to forever, my love. I can't wait to say I do and embark on this incredible journey with you. Okay, bear with me. His handwriting is so bad.
That's what I wanted to make sure of.
Oh, it's so short. Okay, we're good. Hang on. Dear Erin, first things first, I love you so much, and that love grow, and that our, and that, oh my Lord. Start over. Okay.
I walked under the blood red moon, and I've seen those wolves gather round, and I've spent some time with the devil, but never have I found another one like you. Oh, no.
Dear Erin, first things first, I love you so much, and that love grows more every day. You make me a better person day by day. I've been trying to figure out why you chose me. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. From your future husband, P.S. You're hot.
Lord, I just can't be satisfied, no, 'cause never have I found another one like you. Oh.
Literally a horse brought them two together. Erin growing up, it took like one pony ride, and she was like, Dad, I love horses. Great. Well, I'm going to have my own one day. I'm like, oh, okay. This will pass. But no, it never passed. Everybody knows the cheapest thing about a horse is buying it. I was like totally against it at the time, and she brought this horse here to board the horse. This is where Erin and Conner met, was right here at this farm. 2 horses now later, 3 horses. She's doing shows. Conner, you're right there with her every step of the way, and I can't ask for a better son-in-law, a better husband for my daughter. I can't ask for a better family for my daughter.
Never have I found another one like you. Oh, no. And
Oh, look at you.
I'm without words. You always dressed as a princess, now you are one today.
Conner, as I sit here filled with excitement and joy, it's hard to believe this day is finally here. Today, we begin our greatest adventure together, and I couldn't be more grateful that it's with you.
Yeah. I love it.
What do you think, AJ?
Cool.
You are my best friend, my home, and the love of my life. I will forever cherish every moment with you, support your dreams, and help you through the good and the bad. I cannot wait to see what the future holds for us.
So I'll go home to rest my soul and all my goals, they'll be gone.
May our love grow stronger and our bond be unbreakable.
Conner and Erin have already shared 3 incredible years together. Years filled with love, laughter, growth, and plenty of animals. And today marks your new chapter in your story. Not a beginning, but a deepening of the love that's already strong, steady, and uniquely yours. I've watched Conner grow from a curious, kind-hearted little boy into a caring, grounded man standing here today. You are. And then he met Erin. Erin, from the very beginning, you brought a light into Conner's life that made us all smile. Your adventurous spirit, your fierce love for animals and people alike, and your wonderful warm heart.
Come on, Denver.
You balance each other out so beautifully. You're silly together, you care deeply, and you've built a relationship rooted in kindness, humor, and shared dreams.
Congratulations! It's a beautiful day. We are so happy for you guys.
Congratulations!
9 p.m. and the sun's still hanging around.
Hey, it's Camp Mom. I love you. You look so beautiful, and I'm so proud of you. And I wish you and Conner the best in the world.
There's boats on the water and fish on the land.
I'm so glad to be such a big part of your day. We love you, and can't wait for sunset portraits coming soon. Ooh, Grand March. It's about to happen. Happy wedding day!
Life ain't better in the summer. Don't it just feel right? The beer goes down a little bit smoother. There's a little more blue in the sky. Better in the summer. Don't ask why. Just grab your girl and get to the lake, and you better not come home dry.
Marriage is like riding a horse. Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it's bumpy. You just have to hold on and pray you don't fall, but always ride together. You already know how to care, commit, and clean up poop. Marriage is just the next logical step. When life bucks you around, sit deep, heels down, and hold on tight. Just don't ever let each other go. Learn to attack the problems and not each other. Treat each other with kindness and respect. Remember to always say I love you. And this is for Conner. Happy wife equals a happy life.
Sunday drives, a tea on ice, hanging your laundry up on the line, catching a spark on the 4th of July.